Welcome back to another episode of Cooking and Loving. I have my dad here with me again, and we're going to show you how to make another recipe. Let's jump straight into the video. Sigla.
Jonathan, today what we're gonna cook?
We're going to be making, I can't say this, involtini di tacchino con prosciutto e formaggio.
Bravissimo, involtini di fesa di tacchino con prosciutto e formaggio. Translated in English is
Involtini, which is basically turkey with ham and cheese, yeah.
Turkey involtini, which is rolled, right? With some cheese and ham inside. We have cooked ham and fantastic Emmental cheese. This is very easy to prepare and even easier to cook. Let's start.
And even easier to eat.
So, first thing we have the tacchino here.
Turkey.
What we need to do is just take one already, how do you say it?
Tenderized.
Yeah, tenderized. So look at that. You put one. You put one slice of ham.
And one slice of cheese.
In the middle. One cheese.
It's like a layer.
And then you roll.
And then oh wow, these are huge.
Yeah, these are huge, but let's put one there. Okay?
Does it go through? Oh,
Yeah, so put the other one there. Okay, so one is done. We move to the next one. So we put one here.
This is much easier so the cheese doesn't show and it doesn't make a mess. This is big. This is, oh my, sheesh.
They're gonna shrink when you cook them actually.
Yeah.
The meat is gonna shrink, become smaller.
Oh.
Okay, let's carry on doing the rest.
Yup.
So we can cook.
So 2 big spoons of butter like that. Some olive oil.
So we add the sage. We didn't have the fresh one, so we have to use the dry one. Rosemary. So this is gonna get infused. And that's timer. So the oil and the butter is gonna get infused with the beautiful rosemary, thyme and sage. And when everything is melted, we are ready to start cooking our turkey. So this is a recipe, Jonathan, very easy to do. It takes nothing as long as you have some cheese and ham and some turkey. Or you can also do it with chicken. What else? You can do it with veal. Veal actually will be the best one because they're very thin, they're very soft too. But turkey goes very good, and also turkey cook very fast. So this one, once you put it, all you need to do is to rosolare. How do you say rosolare?
Switch? No.
Make it like no simmer.
No, simmer. It wouldn't be simmer.
Yeah.
Not fry.
No, saute, like
saute,
saute, make it nice and golden brown.
Like sauteing onions.
So we are pretty much. Look at that. That's just butter, oil, and all these herbs. So can you see how nice?
You know when you make ragu and then you put you saute the butter with everything. That's how it smells. It's fantastic. We have some leftover.
No, we cook them as well, just to eat like that.
Oh, this is the big boy.
Yeah, put it there. I'm gonna raise the flame a little bit so the sizzle. Nothing, you just have to cook a couple of minutes each side and twist them. The meat will shrink a little bit because they contain some water, so they shrink. And after, we are gonna put some, to make a little bit of cream, we're gonna put a little bit of water. Little bit of water.
You just see Jamie Oliver
As Jamie always say, little bit of water, half a liter. No, a little bit of water.
It was a good carbonara.
Yeah, plus a little bit of flour to make the cream thickness, and then we can eat this together with some rice. Fantastic. So let it cook there. Now, if the cheese melt and come out a little bit, it doesn't matter. Everything will be all part of the sauce in the end. So. Yeah, that's what I meant. Rosolare.
Yep.
Golden and brown. Yeah. Give it another couple of minutes.
Quick update. We removed the oil and butter. Now we're currently sizzling this right now, as you can hear. Look at that sizzle sound. And we are going to add some salt and pepper.
So salt like that.
The pepper?
A little bit more. Just to give the extra flavor coming out.
And I do the pepper.
The salt is gonna release all the water also. It's gonna help us when we put the wine. Okay, that's enough, that's enough. The sizzle is going perfect. Now let's give it another twist. Have you noticed that the cheese is melted but it's kept inside, it's not coming out? So don't be afraid, guys, it's not gonna come out and make a mess like when you fry it with the mozzarella or anything like that. This is gonna stay nice, juicy.
We should make huge mozzarella sticks.
A little bit, just a little bit more. We use unsalted butter and or cooked ham. It's not that salty, so it's okay to add some salt. But remember, if you add some butter that's salty and use some cheese that's very salty, then go lower on salt. Okay, that's enough. That's enough.
And obviously pepper.
Now, increase the flame and let's put some wine now. Go for it. Sauvignon, what is this? Blanc Sauvignon? Sauvignon Blanc?
You told me when to salt, yeah?
Yeah, just put around it. Yeah, don't splash it. That's enough, that's enough. So now let it infuse. We're gonna reduce a little bit, let the alcohol go, infuse the meat. We twist it again, and then after we add some little bit of water.
Little bit of water, little bit of water.
And a little bit of flour, and then will become like a nice cream, and these are done.
Yes.
Okay, so we melt a little bit, well, we didn't melt, but it doesn't melt, but we put some water and flour mix, and now Jonathan is gonna put that. This is gonna create a little bit of cream together with the rest of the juice. Go for it. And now we turn up a little bit the heat and let the magic begins. This is done in like 2 minutes, less than that.
Just quickly base this.
Right, so we have here our funnel, nice, beautiful, juicy.
Involtini.
So, I've already prepared the meat, so
yes.
We're gonna get this one, which looks
The
nice,
juiciest.
the juiciest. Well, you know what? For this,
Yeah, this one's much more with cheese. That one is just, you know.
make it this.
Yeah. Okay, the juice.
Get the juice. Put nice juice there. With a spoon.
Just a little bit, you know. Oh, maybe not. Maybe that's. Maybe let's just focus the juice on here.
Okay.
Maybe just a little bit on
I
top.
think.
Just a little bit on top.
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Let's remove these. Well, that juice is quite strong. I'm gonna open it for you guys. Oh, Okay, I'm gonna try it a little bit. That is tender. Now, you may be wondering, the cheese isn't coming out. The cheese is actually melted. It may not look melted, but it's actually melted. It's literally stretching in my mouth as we speak. But this is fantastic. The juice is just perfect, and the herbs combined. It is so good. You wanna try it? I'll just say farewell. So
You say farewell, I'll try.
yeah. You know, you try. So thank you all for watching this video. I hope you all loved it. You know, subscribe, like, share it to everyone you know. Well, literally. But it tastes good, right?
No, it doesn't. I need to taste again because I don't think it's good. Yeah, I don't think. I think I need to taste a little bit more just in case. I want to make sure that it's properly cooked. To
Yeah.
taste it, you know.
I know.
Maybe a little bit of rice. I think it's.
So, you know, this wasn't good. This wasn't
All
a
I
good
need is
video.
a glass of wine now, and maybe we're there. Yes, it's done. It's done.
Yes, this was a great video. This was really tasty.
Ciao.
The turkey was ciao. I'm gonna eat this actually. Never mind.
Yes. Ciao.
Ciao.
No more talking. Let's just
Yes,
go and eat.
yes. Yeah.